Hey, so second lock for tonight. That would be the, I believe it's either Chinese or Japanese lock. Sorry, not Japanese, Taiwanese lock. It's ZHOU SHI 640. I bought it in Mexico, and the reason I bought it because the outer machining of this small lock looks really nice. Also the keyway looks nicely made, and it's the first time I see such a keyway. I didn't know what to expect from the inside, so I said, what the heck, I'll give, I don't know, it was about $5 or €5, something like that, maybe less. And I decided, okay, let's try it. It looks like a fun pick. So it does work. The really strange part, nice part, is actually its ball bearing. I don't know if you can make it. And it seems to lock really on both sides. It's key retaining. That is the key. Looks like a wafer lock, I believe. And that's the only nice part about it. So what you can do to open it, just put the tension wrench. In the beginning I had a problem tensioning it proper, but you don't really need to worry about picking, because you just stick the pin down, rock it a little bit. Oops, sorry about that. So let's reset. So you put the pick inside, you rock it back and forth, and it's actually almost open. The last thing you need to do is change the pin, or you can go over. There's a very small pin, it's the last pin over here. You just press it in either way and bam, lock opens. So that easy opening this lock. Although, as I said, it looks quite nice, but security provided, if you know the mechanism, it's really very easy to open. Good. Thanks for your time. Stay safe, stay legal. Cheers.